What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. You guys know I do all kinds of tool reviews and unboxings, and I talk about different combs and all the different stuff that I use in a lot of my videos. And I get asked all the time, guys, where to grab these different items from. So today I want to tell you guys about my favorite barber supply and somewhere where you guys can get all the stuff I talk about on my channel. So about 2 years ago, I made a relationship with a guy that owned a couple barbershops in Fort Worth, Texas. And actually my first paid class ever was at his barbershop. I went to Fort Worth, taught the class, I was super nervous. And over in the corner, he had a small table with probably one of each clipper. At the time, it was the influencer editions. I remember the Gamma Prodigies being there, but probably about 10 clippers out on the table. And he let me know that he was wanting to start a barber supply. So I thought that was a super dope idea. Like I said, at the time, it was just a table with a few clippers on it and very quickly turned into something huge. So if you guys don't know who I'm talking about, I'm talking about Fort Worth Barber Supply. If you guys saw my vlog a few weeks ago, I just taught a class down there. But the Barber Supply is super dope, guys. If I had that here, I would be in that thing like every other day. It is literally like a kid in a candy shop. Just every direction that you look, you got new clippers, new tools, just anything you can imagine. They also carry barber chairs, barber stations. Guys, they have every YS Park comb, hair grippers, hair clips, every illusion cape that Illusion makes. And most of the time, guys, they're gonna get the brand new clippers that just came out as soon as anyone else. What makes it so great, guys, and back in the day, I used to shop at Atlanta Barber Supply, and most of the time they carried everything. But there were times where I had to get one thing from one website, go to a different website and grab another item, and they would come in at different times. You guys know how that goes. So Fort Worth always ships super quick. And so I really started to use them. Like I said, I had done my first class there. And so we had built a great relationship, and now I went back and did my second class, obviously. But guys, they take care of me. They're super great people, and I appreciate them very much. And I wanted to do this video to tell you guys about them and give you guys a place where you can get anything you're looking for. Clippers, trimmers, combs, brushes, capes, whatever it is, you guys can get it all at one place, super quick shipping, and their prices are really as good as anywhere that you guys can go. So I'm gonna show you guys around their website real quick, but stay tuned to the end, guys. I have a special 10% off code to give you guys. Fort Worth Barber Supply and I have such a great relationship, and I spoke so highly about my subscribers and everybody that watches my channel that they wanted to do something a little extra special for you guys. So at the end, I'm gonna give you guys that code, and you guys can save 10% on anything you order from Fort Worth. All right, so the site is www.fwbarbersupply.com. You guys can see on the homepage we have the most recent or upcoming education that's coming and some most popular items. We'll go ahead and click through some of the pages. We're going to start off with machines. You guys click machines, click clippers. You guys are going to see what all they have. There's the Lithium FX, the LoPro clipper they have as well, the cordless fast feed and the cordless 76. There's a corded master, both of the cordless masters. Most of the FX clippers that they have, there's the FX3 as well. Ergo, XErgo, JRL, there's an old school corded, fast feed, the Rebels, the Alphas, the Mythics, the Sabres, Legends, and of course the old school senior, corded and cordless. Now we'll go to trimmers. You guys can see the cordless detailer, LoPro, T-Finisher, got the JRLs, again, all the different Babyliss trimmers, Evo, XEvo, there's the Silver FX, there is a T-Outliner trimmer bundle, there's the Pattycuts trimmer that I use, and the other influencer editions, the FX3. Guys, you can see all the trimmers that you would want. They have them all. Now we'll go over to shavers. You guys can see all the normal shavers. We got the Andis. There's the new Andis Resurge, the OG Andis shaver, all the colors of the Babyliss shaver. There's the FX3 bundle. It is out of stock, but there's the FX3 shaver, the Gamma Prodigy, and the Uno that I use, guys. This is where I got it from, and of course the wall shaver as well. We'll go down to clipper guards. You guys will see here are some knockoff clipper guards: silver, pink, rose gold, gold, the Babyliss premium guards they have. I should have picked them up last time I was there, but I did not. But you guys can see purple magnetics, the double magnetics, the Gamma double magnetics as well. We have the small packages of the half and the 1.5. There's the wall premiums. But you guys can see, look at that number 8. That thing looks a little wonky. But you guys can see every guard set that you could need, they carry that as well. Now we'll go over to blades. I'm not going to click all these, but basically razor blades, guys, they're going to have all the regular ones. We got the Dorco Primes, Derby, Filoso, Astra, basically any of the blades you guys like to use, they should carry them. I'm not going to click all these blades as well, but guys, you can get my StyleCraft blades that I use, the taper blade, the deep tooth cutter blade. I believe they will have the fusion blade in stock soon too. Now Babyliss, here's the OG Gold FX blade. The wedge blade that's on the Lithium FX and the LoPro. There's the black taper blade that I like to use. They got the DLC, the 2.0, the FX3, There's the 2.0 gold. And guys, this is the graphite FX trimmer blade that I use, the FX 707B. You guys can see right here. So that's the blade. If you're wondering what I use, that is the one that I use. And we'll go ahead and look at Andis, guys. If you do want to do the filthy mod with the Andis blade, they do carry the master replacement blade that you guys can do the mod with. We'll go ahead and check out Tim 45, guys. They carry every single Tim 45 product that we make. You guys can see the colored power clips, colored power mats, razor handles. They have all the batteries, shave gel, and of course the Klutch card, guys. They got it first when it originally came out. They got it the day that I got it. So anything Tim 45, you guys can get there as well. We got sanitation, guys, level 3 products, neck strips. Those are the neck strips that I use, not the pink ones. I use the black ones. But you got your normal sand neck strips, razor disposal, barbicide jars, all that stuff. Now in hair care products, they do carry a ton of products. I'm not going to list them all, but there's your Biggin, Beijing, whatever you guys want to call it, level 3 products. They have a lot of different products. I do use quite a few things that they carry. I believe they have a couple pages of products as well. There is the aftershave I use, the level 3 blue aftershave. That is the one I use in my Mr. Gun. But you guys can see they have tons of hair products. And yeah, 2 pages to search through. We'll go on to accessories. You guys can see we have the gold, rose gold, silver, Babyliss docks, level 3 gloves, some different mats and such, different things like that. And you guys will see here is the tonic gun that I have, and it looks like it's in stock right now, so you guys need to head over there and grab that. Now, like I said, they carry every single YS Park comb. Here's all the different numbers, different colors. Anything that's out of stock, guys, obviously is not going to be on here, but they do update frequently, so just keep a lookout. But you guys can see any type of clipper brush, hairbrush, round brush, different combs. They're definitely going to carry them all. Now we'll go over to education, guys. They've been killing it with their education. You can see Barber Benji is coming soon. Stay Gold coming after that. Maddie Conrad and Rob the Original. So guys, some super big names in the industry, and these guys are killing it with their education. I'm gonna go ahead and click the capes right here. I just wanted to show you guys. But what you guys have been waiting for, guys, the discount code I'm gonna give you is Seancutshair. You guys are gonna add anything to your cart. I believe the 10% off will work for anything in here. You guys add it to your cart. I'm just gonna show you guys right now, but we will add a power clip to the cart. Go to the cart and there is a coupon line. You guys enter code Seancutshair and you guys can save 10% on your entire order. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you need anything, reach out to Fort Worth Barber Supply on Instagram or head over to the website and they will definitely take care of you. Tell them who sent you guys. If you guys like the video, smash that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. I have some dope tutorials coming soon and some more reviews and unboxings. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys are gonna buy on the website and save that 10% by using the code Seancutshair. Alright guys, that is it. I appreciate you guys watching. Catch you next time.